Alright guys, hey there. After that lovely little intro. So as you can probably tell by this, we're making pizza rolls. So we're making pizza rolls, well that's because someone a while ago, I actually forget who, they said, "Hey Gavin." I was like, "What? Do you want to make pizza rolls?" I was like, I can make pizza rolls. Okay. So anyways, pizza rolls. Let's get cooking, good looking. So anyways, guys, like I said, today we're making Tostina's pizza rolls. Now, I know what you're wondering, Gavin, why are you making pizza rolls? Well, guess what? I already answered that, so stop asking. So let's see what the instructions are. The instructions are preheat to 450 degrees. That's too difficult. It's too difficult! I can't do this! Last time I tried to make a pancake, it made a tortilla. And the best part is, you think I'm exaggerating. No, that was literally a tortilla. Okay, yeah, well I'm not using an oven, because the last time I tried to use an oven, this happened. And that was no fun. So how about we instead go with microwave options? Because how many recipes have I done inside the microwave now? Yeah, that's how many. So we're gonna be microwaving stuff. Arrange 6 pizza rolls in a circle on a microwavable plate. Microwave on high 50 to 65 seconds. If not thoroughly cooked, microwave up to 10 seconds longer. Good job buying these for us. Your mouth. It's funny. They're funny. They're funny. They're funny. They're funny. I said they're funny. They're funny. Alright guys, so today we have these lovely pizza rolls. Yeah. Ah. Didn't damage the countertop, it's fine. Let's open this. Hiya! Why do I do these things? I'm not getting wrong, I'm having a great time. But still, that's destructive. But it's fun. So I'll let it slide. Besides, countertop isn't damaged. Yeah, it's not, so let's get cooking. I already said that. Well, who cares? We're making food. Okay then guys, so let's go ahead and arrange these things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. Okay guys, well now that we have our food prepared, let's get it inside the microwave oven. How long do I have to microwave it for? Alright, so 60 seconds for 6. So if you do the math. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What the hell? Okay, let's shut the door and open it again. Okay, let's try this again. 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay, that is so much better. Okay, cool. Well, after that fiasco, we now have food. Those are some good grapes. Now let's shed some light on the situation. Alright, so here we have these greasy little pockets of fun. Let's go for the taste test to end off the video. Alright, well as always, we gotta try the food that we made today. So today, we are trying Tostino's Pizza Rolls, 3 meat, I think, yeah. Triple meat pizza rolls. When the pizza rolls are good. Why are those always so hot? As always, Pizza rolls are good, but they're also hot as hell. Anyways, guys, I hope that you really enjoyed this video because, I don't know if you noticed, but this one is actually safe for work. Haha, because now people at my school follow, including some teachers. Hi, Howdy Shell. Hi, Gallatin. How you doing? So anyways, yeah, guys, hope you really enjoyed this video, and, as always, I'll see you in the next one. If you sneeze during this video, bless your face. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. Have a good one. Peace out.